Hi, my name is Christos Papakyriakou and I'm the founder of Digicom Limited. I am an electronics engineer, GE certified critical power expert with 33 years experience in solving electricity supply problems. In this presentation, you're going to discover the 3 steps to help you find the power your computer system needs and how, based on this information, you will be able to choose the right UPS to protect it. Attention! The following method can be used to find the power of any computerized equipment such as medical, telecommunications, security, and other. Before we start, I want to tell you of a special offer we have only for those who watch and stay until the end of this presentation. When you stay until the end, you will not only benefit from the presentation, but you will also gain from our unique offer. Let us assume our system consists of a computer, a monitor, a printer, and a modem or router. To find how much power our computer system needs, we first need to know 2 values, voltage and current. Don't worry, our equipment tells us both. Brand name computers have a label at the back or bottom of the casing stating the electrical requirements of the PC. The label on our PC indicates 115 volts 5 amperes, 230 volts 2.5 amperes. So in countries with 115 volts electricity supply, the equipment will use 5 amperes. In countries with 230 volts electricity supply, the equipment will only use 2.5 amperes. So if the voltage is doubled, the current is 1/2. The power required remains the same. Please note that sometimes only one number is stated for the current. In our example, it could have been 5 amperes for 115 to 240 volt. In this case, the 5 ampere is for 150 volts and must be divided by 2 for Cyprus 230 volts. Now that we know the current 2.5 amperes of our PC and the voltage 230 volts, we can easily find the power in volt ampere or VA. We multiply the voltage times the current, which gives us 575 VA. So our computer requires 575 VA, or whatever is the result of the V times A multiplication. Going back to our computer label, we can now see how in both cases the power is the same, 575 VA. The computer consumes the same power in each case. If a low voltage is used, more current is required. Step 2 involves finding the power requirements of our monitor, printer, modem or router. The same method is applied for all other equipment as for our computer. In the photo, the label at the back of our BenQ monitor states 100 to 240 V, 1.5 amperes. The current of 1.5 A applies to 100 V. Since only one value is given and we need the current for 230 V, we divide by 2, which gives us 0.75 ampere. We then multiply this current of 0.75 A with 230 V, the voltage we have in Cyprus, and we have 173 VA, which is the power of our monitor. Our printer made by Brother states 220 to 240 V, 0.45 A. Since the power supply is only rated for 220 to 240 V, such as in Cyprus, we use the number of amperes, 0.45 A, as is to find the power. 240 V times 0.45 A equals 108 VA. This is the maximum power required by our Brother printer. Please note, we never connect a laser printer to small UPS. Laser printers require too much power and may damage our small UPS. Our modem or router uses an AC to DC adapter. The specifications are voltage 90 to 250 V, current 0.2 to 0.09 A. 250 V times 0.09 A gives us approximately 22 VA. This is the power consumed by our modem. In step 3, we find the total power of our equipment. After we find the power of each piece of computer equipment we want to protect, we add all the power ratings. In our example, we have computer 575 VA, monitor 173, printer 108, modem 22, which gives us a total power of 878 VA. This is the maximum power a computer system can consume. Note that in reality, the actual power required is less. The market offers 1000 VA and 2000 VA UPS units, so we select the nearest to our requirement. In conclusion, a UPS of power rating 1000 VA or 1 kVA will offer the correct protection to our PC system. Note that many computers assembled in Cyprus do not have a label with the electrical specifications. However, there is an easy solution. It is normal for these suppliers to use a 300 watt or 500 VA power supply in their computers. In such a case, we will assume our computer will need 500 VA and add this to the power of our other equipment. If the power rating on our equipment is given in watts instead of VA or amperes, no need to panic. Simply divide the number of watts by 0.6 and we get the VA. As above, a 300 watt power supply divided by 0.6 gives 500 VA. If you want real confirmation, you can do what we do. Search online for the power supply of your PC with make and model. Alternatively, you can ask your PC supplier what power supply they used. Finally, if you are technically inclined, you can open the PC case and find out the power yourself. If any of the above seems too confusing for you and you would rather let us do the work for you, then our on-site power system audit will be of interest to you. Normally, for us to conduct an on-site power system audit, we would charge a fee of €60. But since you've taken action, read our article, and requested our infographic, we have a special offer for you today. We will give you a whopping 85% off our on-site power system audit. If you order your audit today, you will get it for just €9 plus VAT. This is 85% off the normal price. Click the button below to take advantage of this special one-time offer. And in case you're wondering why we're offering this session at such a discount, it's simple. We want to reward you for taking action, and we know that when we make an offer this good to you, you'll be more open to working with us in the future. Makes sense, doesn't it? We are investing in our future clients. I have to warn you though, with an offer this good, there's only so many of these special power system audits we can do. So don't delay. Click the button below and let us take all the hassle away from you, save you time, money, and give you peace of mind, knowing that your computer, files and documents will all be safe. Click the button below to get started. Think about it. For the price of a cup of coffee and a cake, you can have a GE certified critical power expert working for you to determine how best to keep your computer and data safe.